Well, there's been a tornado warning and we have to go to the basement. This is the first out of, I think the last tornado warning I had was in elementary school.
You're valuable. I'm not worried about the camera equipment. You're valuable.
He said I was valuable, Lacey. He said I was valuable.
Lacey, don't believe him. You know I can lie too. Isn't this crazy, man? Here we got a tornado warning and lightning is happening. Look at the sky. Look at the clouds.
Here are the clouds. They are moving pretty fast. I saw a little bit of a spin. This is so weird because literally last night, no bullshit, I had a dream of one of the biggest tornadoes that ever touched down where we live. And it was so big that you could literally see the trees and grass being pulled out of the ground. And then just now, tornado warning. Everyone's in the basement. I gotta get to the basement before they get mad at me.
Let's go, guys. We need you down in the basement for this, okay?
That was cool.
All right, appreciate it.
So we're being ushered to a safe location. This is really taking off. I just want to show you guys some more of this. They want us, it's hailing right now. So this is an official tornado warning. As you can see, there's hail.
Alright, everybody can go back upstairs.
Alright, so we're here. Lacey's been doing a good job. Zach's been doing a good job. I've been doing a good job. We're here taking a break. It's a breakout. Everyone's clearing out the room. We're about to get some food. Where's my baby hidden? Got another Slurpee. I'm with my friend Zach. Zach, be quicker this time.
You can find me on Instagram at Nomadic Droners.
Bye. This is what we're doing. We're doing a sliding shot here. Zach's helping me hold this bitch down. He's gonna do some work. And this is gonna be awesome. I'll show you what the video looks like in a second. Alright, so we just finished up this portion of the filming. We were just in the belly of the beast right there. It's all done. He's gonna put these in for me. I'm gonna do a quick video of this and then we are out of here. This came out really nice. Alright, so that's everything. This truck is now done. Thank you, brother.
Yeah, no problem.
A realtor's blast with Jackman. Shot this beautiful property here on the peninsula of Mount Vernon. Got the awesome water behind us, making some money. We are here dealing with the Big Daddy today.
This is the beach.
The beach.
This is where the community gets to have parties and do stuff. So here it is.
This is really cool.
Yeah, so I like to take pictures of this area as well, so that people know they have volleyball, they have the beach, they have the gazebo, you know, to have parties and barbecues.
Very cool. Well, let me take a photo. One day, Logan, Daddy will be taking you to school in this bad boy every morning. Believe me, dude, you're gonna have it fucking all, dude. Logan, I love you so much, and everything I do is for you and your mom. I love you guys both very, very much. And I can't wait for a beautiful, beautiful future together. I love you! You tell it's a safe area. We're on the way to the wharf, one of my favorite places. Gonna get some seafood, gonna treat the family. We've been working really hard the last couple of weeks. No play, all work, but it has been paying off. We're about to move and I cannot wait. Slightly annoyed. I'm very slightly annoyed. It's taking forever and I want food! Lacey, where are you? There you are. We're on the way to the wharf. There you are. Alright. Place is very secure here. Okay, Logan, how you doing, kid? Do you like the wharf? If you had to choose a place in any place in the world, would it be the wharf? I gotta turn it into a picture. The bag for your mama. You even got a compliment by the police officer over there.